Hello friends, welcome to Maran Guitar Lessons channel. I am Renato Maran, I'm a guitar player and music teacher. This is the second video in a series that shows you how to memorize pentatonic scales once and forever. If you didn't watch video number 1, stay until the end of this video. A shortcut will appear on screen so you can go straight to lesson number 1. Before we start this lesson, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel and help us up here on YouTube. In the description of the video, there are also other options for you to contribute to our development. So, let's go to the video. In lesson number 1, we learned the 5 positions of the pentatonic scales and played alternately in C and A flat with 12 notes per bar, switching at the end of each shape. In lesson number 2, we will use the same keys as C and A flat, but we will switch at random points with 8 notes per bar. When changing the chord, you change the key to the nearest note in the same direction as it is, up or down. Let's see how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can play or download this track and scale chart to study at home. Just access my page on Bandcamp at address that appears on screen or in the links in video description.